Hello and welcome to my cooking channel Ashwini Tarcar's Cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Let us see how to make Sukkha Mutton Malvani Style. We will make the green masala first with 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 3 green chillies and washed and chopped coriander, 1 cup. We will grind this to a paste with half teaspoon turmeric and little water. Now we take a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoon oil, add half kilo washed mutton. The mutton has to be pink. If it is red, it is not tender. It won't get cooked fast. Now add the green masala to the mutton. You can also keep it marinated for half an hour. Now add sea salt, just enough for the mutton. Add 1 cup water and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Now roast 3 onion and 1/4 of dry coconut directly on the flame. Now we will roast the garam masala, 2 bay leaves, 2 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon jeera, 4 Goan dry chillies, 3 cinnamon pieces, 6 cloves, 3 kankod or kebab chini, tailed pepper that is, and 12 peppercorn, kalpasi or shero 2 pieces, 2 petals star anise, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 3 cardamom, 1 small piece nutmeg or zephyr. Dry roast for a few minutes and then add little oil. Now roast this till dark golden. You can see the color. Add 1 teaspoon sesame seeds and roast 1 minute and transfer to mixer jar. Discard the burnt part of the onion and coconut and we will chop it. And we will wash this. Chop the coconut also after scraping it. The entire black part cannot be removed. That's okay. So we will wash it and grind to a paste with little water. That burnt part will give its unique taste. Now heat oil 4 tablespoon and stir fry the onion coconut paste again. You can see the beautiful color of the onion coconut paste. Now add the masala paste and stir fry again till it leaves flavor. Now check if mutton is cooked. If it is not cooked, you will have to recook it again. Now add mutton to kadai. You can also replace mutton with chicken pieces. Cook in similar way. Now cook till dry. The chicken need not be cooked for 4 whistles. You have to cook only for 1 whistle. Adjust taste at this point. Add more salt if required. Keep stirring till it is very dry. We want it to be dry. You can serve this with puris or vadas or roti, fulka, anything of your choice. Happy cooking. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my recipes with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.